record ko na yung mga ginawang mo mga letters kahapon kay nanay. Dami-dami mong ginawang letters, no? Love na love mo si nanay.
Ginawin ko din yan eh.
Bakit po ko ginawa ng maraming letters?
Kasi lang po.
Love na love mo ako. Thank you, ate ko. I love you so much. I-open ko na yung letters mo. Okay. Ito ang mga letters na Ate Star. Dinikit niya sa computer ko. What's the first one na open ko? This one.
No.
This one. Ay, sorry.
Ano
Taas mo lang
siya
tape.
palagi?
Andun lang pala. Ah, okay. Nanay's gift for her birthday. Thank you, ate. Balik ko.
Tingnan siya.
What's next? This one, maliit.
Yes.
Oop.
Nanay, hawakan mo nga.
It's
Ito.
a heart. Ano
Nanay.
yung big? Ano yung big?
Hawakan mo nga.
Titignan ko. 4 knife from Star. Okay, open it na ako. Open it for me. Ang galing naman ng ate ko. Oh, shush. Parang may lock pa siya. Ang galing. I love you, nanay. What else? Heart pa na ano ha? Para siyang door. Ang galing mo ka. Next, the red one.
That will
Okay.
be better.
Open it for me. Bagong gising ang ate ko. What's inside? Oops. Galing mo na ka. Para siyang may lock. Thank you for being good nanay. Oh. Thank you for be a good nanay. Okay. Thank you, ate. Next naman. Next. This one. What is this ba? What is this?
There's a heart there.
Ah, there's a heart inside.
Yes.
Whose heart is this? Mine. Okay. Thank you. Balik tayo sa taas.
Ito.
Wala dyan lang siya.
Dito, para makita nila.
Okay lang po kung later. What's this? Si Mira.
Yes, we're going to color it later.
Ah, you will color it. Ah, okay. Just to color that.
One is ending na.
Okay. How about this one?
Okay, okay.
Okay na to ah.
Yes, because it's full with
Open it for me.
Nanay, lagyan ko
Alin
ng
lang?
ice.
Ay, salin.
Yung balloon.
Yung balon mo?
Nanay, tayo ng pencil.
Ah, sige. Ito, sign pen. Ano? Marker mo.
It's okay, it's okay.
Napunit. Uy, napunit. Okay, punitin mo na lang para ano. Yan.
There's cards there.
There are cards inside. Maraming cards.
That's my way. I can get it.
Love, nanay, tatay, star and moon. Oh, ano yan?
Birthday.
Sino nagkarga?
That's your birthday cake.
Ah, that's my birthday cake. This is?
My costume.
Oh, your costume. What's your costume?
The butterfly.
Butterfly. So, this is tatay and moon.
Yes.
Tatay, karga si moon. Cute naman. How about this drawing? What are we doing? Nag-slide si ate. Ate to o si nanay? Nag-slide.
Ito, ikaw ako to.
Ay, ikaw, okay. Si Moon, ang tatay, nag-watch lang sila.
Ito si Muna sa cellphone. Di ba palagi
Nagsa-cellphone.
Di ba
How about this drawing? What is this drawing?
Patingin! Kung sa cellphone.
What is drawing about anak?
You're cooking.
Ah, cooking. Si nanay always cook. Okay. Ito yung cards natin. Okay.
Numbers cards. Okay.
Okay. Balik natin sa envelope yan. Okay.
Next.
How about this one? Okay. Just a picture. What's about this picture? Hmm? What am I doing?
Upside down.
What upside down? How?
Like that.
This one? Why? How about the last one? Letter. Bo, with tissue pa ha?
Yep.
Oops.
It's just so easy.
So easy to open.
Love.
Oh, love. Walang E.
Ito.
Ayan pala yung E mo. Okay. Hindi kasha. Thank you, Ate Love. Thank you so much, Ate Love.
Time to color.
Yeah, let's color this one. Activity pala to. Okay.
I think they want to watch us to color.
Mm,
I'll get
thank you
my
so
coloring
much. Okay, get your coloring book. Let's color.
Name Lyra, name Moon, the boy, and name Nanay, the girl.
Ang galing naman. Siya lang nag-drawing nito. Siya lang.
Yes.
Bakit ako? Galing mo man mag-drawing din, no? May mukha na. Ano to? Ano to? What to? Anong to? Takot ba to? Ang galing mo mag-drawing. Marunong ka na. Ate, color na tayo, ate.
Ang cute po, tibagan. Hanapin yung pencil. Yung pencil lang na. Peach. Tuko. Black. Blue.
Hindi yan nasusulat yan, love.
year has come and gone. We're gathered here to have some fun. Let's raise a glass to celebrate a special day, a special date. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes.
Ay!
My tummy! My tummy!
Gulat ka ba?
Yes, my tummy!
Ay, ang cute be. Oh. Pumutok.